welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought it would be really fun if I kind of showed you guys me doing a spring cleaning of my closet. I honestly need to get rid of so much stuff and I don't know why I've waited this long. Whenever me and Matt moved from Kentucky to LA, we just physically were not able to bring every piece of clothing with us. So we ended up leaving a lot of that stuff at Matt's parents. Once we moved back, we were able to go and visit them and then bring all that stuff back to Florida with us. So now I have a bunch of clothes that I haven't worn in over 2 years. A lot of it is like thick sweater material because it was perfect for Kentucky. But here in Florida, it just isn't useful. So I need to get rid of that. And honestly, I feel like my style has changed so much since I was in college. So I just want to get rid of things that just don't bring me happiness anymore. So with all of that being said, if you would like to see me get rid of a bunch of stuff that I don't wear anymore and just organize and make everything look really nice and beautiful, then go ahead and stay tuned for today's video. Okay, so first I just wanted to show you guys close up since I'll be setting the camera up kind of farther in a little bit. But this is going to be the rack that we put our to keep things. It has stuff on there because I just did laundry, so that stuff is freshly clean. And then as we walk in, it is literally a mess. This is so unlike me. I usually keep my closet really clean, and especially now that I have a bigger closet, I feel like I really have no excuses. But I have like this little, this is so old, I had this in college, but I have this little coat rack, I guess you would call it. And I usually keep like my bathing suit hanging here, my robes, my jackets, all that good stuff. And then back here, I've also had this for a million years. This is just like a little jewelry organizer. And then I have my pants here. And then like this kind of does have some type of organization to it because when we moved in, I tried, but it's just too far gone now. Back here, I have most of my jackets, and then it goes into cardigans, and then from there, it's honestly just not very organized anymore. I do have like tanks here, so it's not too bad. And then next is the bottom of the closet, which is almost the worst part. So over here, I have a big pile of clothes that I honestly probably tried on and didn't feel like hanging back up, so that's probably what that is. And then I just have shoes all along the bottom, but you can barely see them because once again there's clothes everywhere, and just random boxes, a pillowcase, a craft box, my PJ pants, more shoes, just a lot of things that I don't touch. And then up high I have some purses. I don't even know what's in that box. I don't know what's in that box. My laptop case, more clothes, more hats, more bags. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to organizing because I'm honestly tired of walking into this every day. So the first thing I have here is a bunch of belts, and honestly I don't even wear belts that often. I'm gonna keep this one because I recently got this one from Old Navy, so this is definitely a keep. So I'm gonna start my keep pile right here. And then I really like this skinny black belt, so we're gonna keep. Keep. And then I'm just gonna get rid of one. I know, we're starting off so great. So that one is gonna be a getting rid of. Hopefully I can find a different spot for my belts too, because I just have them on a hanger right now and that's honestly not working for me, so yeah. So this top right here I've literally had for nearly 5 years now. Like, if you went to college with me, then you probably saw me wear this somewhere because I used to wear this literally all the time. And I'm still digging it, honestly. I still like it, so we're gonna keep it. Like, it's really boho and cute, and I feel like it's still kind of my style, so I'm gonna keep it. So most of these sweaters that you see me hanging up here are pretty new. Like this Adidas one, this is from my sorority, so I will definitely keep that. This one's new, this one's also new, so I'm definitely gonna keep all of those. I got them, I think, during Black Friday. This one as well, I've only worn a few times, so I'm gonna keep that. Okay, so now we're getting into dresses, and once again, I don't wear dresses that much anymore, actually. This one I do like a lot. It's very much so my style. I haven't had it too terribly long. It's from Forever 21, so she's a keep for sure. Oh my goodness, I got this on sale. What did I get this for? I think I got this because I potentially was gonna wear it to IMAX whenever I went in LA, but I wore something else. But I really love this, and hopefully one day I'll have somewhere to wear it. But it's very like 90s. It has like those really thin straps. I love it so much, and the color is so cute, so I'm keeping that for sure. This is a long maxi dress, and I do not ever wear this. I just feel like it shows every lump that I have. Like, it's not flattering whatsoever, and it's really long on me, and it's, I don't know, there's just nothing to it. So I'm gonna get rid of that one. We're getting to the end of this part. These are all of the keeps so far for tops, and as you can see, the bar is like full and moving. I should probably not touch it, but I did reposition the camera so you guys can see straight back into my closet. But now we're gonna go into the pants, and I honestly don't have that many pants, so this part should not take that long. So like I said, I'm gonna get rid of a bunch of jeans that I don't wear anymore. That first pair I put down was from Aeropostale, and so is this pair. Do not judge me. Aeropostale used to be like the only pants that would fit me because I was so small, but now I'm not as small. So we're gonna get rid of those, try to sell them, and then these are just basic blue jeans. I really don't wear like actual blue jeans anymore. I wear either black or like a light wash denim, so yeah, these are gonna be to sell as well. There's no way. Okay, so this is starting to fall over, so I gotta make a new pile. I'm just gonna pile these on my bed. So last thing that's hanging up, I adore this so much. I just wanted to show you guys because it's so cute. Let me get close so you can see the print. I got this during Black Friday from Forever 21, and it has roses all over it. And if you know me, you know that I love roses. So I can't wait to wear this here soon. I was waiting for it to be summer since it's like a really short skirt. So yeah, stay tuned for an outfit of the day. Now everything that was hanging up is basically all sorted out. I have a freaking mess right now, but let me grab the camera and show you guys. Okay, so far, this is my to sell pile. This is my maybe pile, but let's just, while I have the camera, I'm just gonna sell it all because if you see, I have so much that I kept. So I'm just gonna keep all of these as to sell. I'll get rid of the hangers in a second. I think I'm now gonna start working on these piles of clothes in here. So like I have one there, I have one here, and I have one up there. So I'm gonna set the camera up and just kind of quickly put all of that in one pile together, and then we'll start going through it from there. Okay, so I literally probably could just throw all of this in the sell pile and be okay with it, but let's go through it very quickly. PJ pants, obviously, keep. skirt, no thank you. Keeping all of my hats. I literally wear hats multiple times a week, so keeping them all. So I know you guys can't see me doing anything over here, but I'm just gonna pull some stuff down. So one of my friends in LA bought me this purse. I'm gonna keep it. And then I found this purse at a thrift store and I just really like it. The strap fell off, but I think I can carry it as a little clutch if I ever do carry it. So I'm gonna keep both of these. Okay, so I'm obviously sitting in the floor in my closet now. It's probably gonna be really echoey, so I apologize for that, but I just figured this would be the easiest to show you guys, like all the shoes and stuff like that. We're about to go like cutthroat on this because I do not wear half of these shoes, so yeah. So I have 2 pairs of sneakers here. This is like a really, really old pair of Nike shoes. I'm probably gonna donate these because they're kind of dirty on the bottom, so definitely I'm gonna donate those. These are just a pair of little sneakers that I got in college and I don't ever wear, so I probably will donate these as well. So if it's a keep, I'm probably just gonna keep it in the bottom of my closet just because I'm running out of space out there, honestly. Favorite pair of boots from Forever 21, keeping them. More roses, keeping these. Obviously, you guys know that I just recently got these, so of course these are gonna be a keep. So I decided that I would grab you guys real fast. So these are all the ones that I'm gonna part ways with, and then I'm keeping all of these guys. It looks so much more neat too. So now I'm gonna figure out where to set the camera and try to hang this up. I got this at Walmart last night. It is basically just a shelf little organizer thing that you hang up. It's gonna be tricky because my bars in my closet have like all of these little crossings, so it makes it kind of difficult to hang things up, but we're gonna try to make it work because this is gonna save my life because all of those clothes that were just folded up top can now live in here. It doesn't fit perfectly in my closet, but you can't really tell. And it's on there, like I don't think it's gonna fall or anything, so yeah, now I'm gonna, literally I'm out of breath. Like guys, this has taken me so long to do. It's like almost 9 o'clock. So now that basically everything is kind of out of here and where it should be, I'm gonna take all the clothes and kind of speed through this and put them in, and then I'll do like an overview of what everything looks like when I'm finished. So after many, many hours, I am finally finished. So nothing more is on the rack, and this is a mess. Don't judge me. I'm gonna fold it all nice and neat. But this is my pile of things to sell, and I'm so proud of myself. This is so much stuff. Like I probably had at least 20 or 30 hangers that I just ended up putting in my laundry area. But now let's take a peek at the finished product. So when you walk in now, I did end up keeping the backpack here just because it didn't really fit anywhere else, and I use this occasionally, so backpack stayed there. But now all we have here is my robe that I use whenever I get out of the shower, and my Adidas jacket. That's just probably my most worn jacket. And then if you go straight back, this is literally my favorite part. Before I had clothes piled all up there, and now look at all this free space that I have. I did end up putting my belts over here in the corner. For now, I'm just gonna keep them on a hanger until I figure something else out. It doesn't bother me that bad though. And then over here is my pant area, and I was actually able to put all of those on pant hangers now, so I can actually see what I have. Back here, I have all of my like winter stuff that I don't really use. I just stuffed back there to be out of the way. And then we go into jean jackets. We've got a couple just like activewear jackets, sweaters, button-ups. I put all my dresses right here. And then we have short sleeves and then tank tops. Obviously, all the hats fit up here pretty dang perfect. And then all of this fit really perfectly here too. And now I have all the space if I need to store anything else up there. So, you guys already saw the shoe area earlier too. But this is it. I'm so proud of myself. It looks so much better. Like, I feel calm when I walk in here, whereas before it was so like chaotic in there. Like, I walked in there and just walked out. Like, it was just too much clutter. But that is it for today's video. I am so tired, so definitely if you do this, make sure you have a whole afternoon to do it. I, of course, was filming it, so it took me a little bit longer. But yeah, I had so much fun in today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching, and I'm gonna go eat some chicken nuggets and chill with Matt. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!